And for the last part, I will be showing you the different heritage and commercial attractions. The first one are the heritage attractions. The following attractions are the examples of these. We have the museum, the zoo, aquarium like the Manila Ocean Park, the parks and preserves, and the festivals. And this time, I will be showing you the different commercial attractions. We have the amusement parks and the theme parks, the gaming attractions like the casinos, the shopping attractions like malls, live entertainments like concert, performing arts, and the sports events. And that is all about the sites and sites features. The knowledge that you have learned today is important for you to be an effective tour guide. Thank you so much, everyone.